Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Christmas Cakesicles.
But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, let's get started.
So we'll start off by taking some chocolate ganache, and I'll leave my chocolate ganache recipe in the link above, also in the description box below. We're going to add that to some cake crumbs. Pop that onto a stand mixer, which is fitted with a paddle attachment. We'll get that nice and combined until it makes a dough similar to the consistency of cookie dough. So if need be, just keep adding more chocolate ganache until you get that look. Okay, next up we'll take our cakesicle mold, and I'll leave a link for that in the description below. We'll take some cake pop dough and pack that firmly into each section. And make sure it's relatively flush with the top of the mold. Neaten that up, and we'll pop that into the freezer for about 15 minutes to a half hour to firm up completely. Once firm, we'll just pop them out of the mold. And we'll gently insert the popsicle sticks. We want them in about 3/4 of the way. We'll dip each one into some melted candy melts, set them aside to dry completely. And then begin to decorate using chocolate, sprinkles, and fondant. And there you have it, Christmas Cakesicles. They're so cute and they taste amazing.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.